So here we're going to look at a little song. You can see that we have C here, which means 4/4 time, because C is the 4/4 is the most common time, and C is for common. Andantino, which is a little slow. Andante is at a walking speed, and andantino is a tiny bit faster than that, but it's really generally a pretty slow piece. We have one sharp in the key signature. And when we only have one sharp in the key signature, it is, do you know?
F.
Exactly. So F is sharp in this piece. On your own edition, your own copy, you might want to go in and do the green sharps, if it helps you. Yeah. One of the things to really take note of is that the left hand is in treble clef as well as the right hand. So since this is my copy and you didn't bring yours, that's one of the reasons I put this on video. Because I can't write all over your music. Okay? Questions?
No.
So in this piece we have a melody in the right hand, and then in the second line I think you can see that the melody goes into the left hand. What happens here on the third line? Where's the melody?
Right hand.
And on the last line?
Right.
Yeah. Good. So one of the reasons I wanted to go through this with you was for the rhythm, and for another is for some of the notes in the left hand, because there's a lot of accidentals, sharps and naturals and flats. You see them all? And I just want to make sure that you don't get overwhelmed by them, because they can be pretty overwhelming. So our rhythm here is 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. Exactly. And then here, that's because I wanted to get through the dotted rhythm with you. We have more straightforward rhythm, no dots, but we do have this. What's this?
2 seconds. A 2-second rest.
A 2-beat rest. So we get 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2,
3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So I'm going to go through the left hand of the piece with you. I think the opening up here is pretty straightforward. We have a third, we go down to a third, and then back up to the third that we started with. So it looks like this. So I'm here. You can see I lean over and lean back. So my fingers are ready. I just roll my wrist up and come back. Exactly. Now here in the next 2-measure group, you can see that the top note, G here, the thumb note, is tied. Okay, so that's what this looks like. You want to give that a try? It's on the G and the E. Right here.
Oh.
Where's the D sharp though? Where's the D sharp?
Here.
Yeah, isn't that a D sharp? So a lot of guessing going on here. Do you know what these 2 notes are? Can you play these with 1 and 3, the way it's marked? Good. That's what's there.
It's like on the left hand.
Yes, it's confusing because it's treble clef in the left hand. So this melody here you can figure out pretty well. I'm not worried about that. We're going to take a look at this left hand part. So here we have, I'm going to look at these as 2 separate lines. The top line, which goes from a G to a F sharp to a F. And then the bottom line goes from an E to a D to a C sharp. Watch my hand, it's going to look like this, because I'm going to go from 1 and 3 to 2 and 4 to 1 and 5. So I got my E and my G, and then I'm going to go down to here, and then I bring my thumb under, and my pinky is on the C sharp. So I'm like on this little interval here, but I'm on 1 and 5. So 1 and 3 to 2 and 4. My thumb comes under, and 1 and 5. Okay, I'm going to show you the rest of it too, and then I'll let you try it. Okay? So now I've got my C and my E, and then I'm going to go down to B flat and D, A and C sharp. Again, my thumb is going to come under and my 5, and I'm going to play with 1 and 5. One more time, I'll show you that. The C and the E, the A and the C sharp, the thumb comes under. We've got a C and a G sharp. And then I'll show you this last one, and then we'll go through the left hand. A and C sharp. Coming down by half steps. Half steps. So we're kind of going down chromatically by half steps, right? So we got that. Okay, so if you get stuck, Kioni, you can always come to this video for the rhythm and for that left hand part.